What's up, guys? We are in Westminster, Colorado this week, and we're at the Mile High Profit Summit. Tom Reber, our good friend and client, is hosting his big event of the year. Looking forward to seeing what's going on. He's entrusted me to be a speaker this week, so I'll be going on probably second to last this Friday, but should be a busy week, seeing lots of friendly faces and learning lots. Got the whole team. Excited to share it with you. Let's go.
We are the yardists. We take boring, mundane yards and transform them into livable works of art. Our mission? To inspire life outside.
A lot to be desired. No spicy.
Yoda's pretty dang smart, isn't he? Behind the scenes for the past couple months now, Neil's been the CEO of the contract. That person to come up, and then I know what a curtsy is. Look at that, man. You know why? Because now I have a daughter that's in ballet. Cool if she rode in. Just rode right through the back door. Right now. Yeah. There you go. Okay.
So we just finished a nice long day of meetings in the conference. It was awesome, very motivational, definitely some good golden nuggets, but when it comes to conventions, some of the best things to do, Topgolf, this is what it's all about in my opinion, is just getting out, getting some bonding together. We're gonna whack some balls and have some fun. Fairway, baby, fairway. You're up, Nate. I'll take it. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, I took it the par. And try to. Oh, yeah. $20, he winks his mulligan. No! I'm wasted. I win. I know who I want to take me home.
Closing time.
So, had a great day, learned a lot. Now it is time to socialize. We got some live music and some drink tickets, which I'm giving to you, by the way.
I know I have, right? And this year we're trying to do 1.8.
He's got this 7 million where it came from. And so posting them on your business account or whether you account or really anything this week is if you don't stand for anything, you got to stand for something. And you a quote so that way have local businesses with just one location. Just being Hiner Outdoor Living, I want to like if you want to see kind of what inspires me and all the other people that kind of influence my design style, you could go to who doesn't know what hashtags are? Toggle, push it to Facebook. When you push it to Facebook, you get a 2-for-1 post. And that was the one that's absolutely on the business page. And you still want to have access to those music, so you just keep it on.
Guitarist for a band. What was that band? What band was it? Before we get started, when I was up here last time, we were up here homelessness. Take care, take care.
It's go time. All right, we're wrapping up Mile High Profit Summit 2022. I don't know, it was a great success. Tom killed it on stage. Everybody that came up there, except for myself, did a pretty good job. So maybe I won't have to get up there again next year.
This guy's a little humble. He killed it. I learned a lot about Instagram. You're always my inspiration when it comes to that. You are absolutely well deserving to be up there.
Thanks.
With that being said, it was an awesome time. Learned a lot, had a lot of fun. Got to go to Topgolf with some of my favorite pond builders in the nation, and just also get to communicate and talk with a bunch of awesome, successful contractors. I just love feeding off of other successful people, and this was the greatest place to do it at. So my biggest takeaway was just networking and what I learned over at the speakers, and time to go home.
I'm just glad I'm done being on stage. So yeah, couldn't think of anything until I got done. I'm coming down from a big high of speaking in front of 400 people, so I'm just glad that's done. But no, it was a really good feeling to be able to help people move the needle on their business, and I'm just grateful for that opportunity. So,
and that's the scoop.
wow.